So does everybody understand what the locus means, right? So if I picked another point, say out here, then this distance is going to be equal to that distance. Okay? That's what that long sentence that you had says. All right? And a couple of things to notice, okay? Let me just kind of clean this up a little bit. It's too much noise in here. So notice that the focus is here at 0, p. So that's where p comes into being. Okay? And this distance here is also equal to p. Notice that the line has an equation called y equals minus p, with the implication that p is positive, okay, in this case. Okay, going back to your original equations of, it was something like this, right? Equals 4p y minus k, is that right? Okay, so p could be either positive or negative, and that'll determine whether the parabola is opening up or down or left or right. Okay, let's go into the rules of how the parabola behaves. Okay, you might want to open your text. I don't know, is that the right page? 663? Obviously not. Is that 663? Your homework? Yeah, maybe it is. So you need to open your book and take a look at the features there. I've actually also summarized them there. And since p can be positive or negative, you're going to take the absolute value of it to get the distance, excuse me, distance of the focus from the vertex. Arash, wake up, Arash. Okay, that's got it. Yes? Oh, almost. Because what? Sorry? Because it's opening up. Okay, is everybody there? Because it's opening up, we're going to make a positive p, so this becomes 12y minus 1. Is everybody okay on this? I don't know if the desk has moved or what. Because this is almost at the edge. If I push it any further, it's going to fall off. So yeah, maybe I need to move the desk a little bit. Is everybody all right on this? Heather? Yeah? Go on to another example then. Okay, so that it looks like that. Is everybody all right on this stuff? Okay. Let's see, what do we want to do? Maybe I can times everything. Notice that here in this equation, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So I need to get rid of this 4. So I'm going to times everything by 4. So I get 4y equals x squared minus 2x plus 5. Okay? What was that? How did this happen? You with me on that? I times everything by 4. Right? So then the quarter disappears. Okay? Is everybody there? What should I do next? Sorry? Oh, you could. You want to do it now? Well, let's go ahead and do it if that's what you want. That's fine. And then, what did we do with the circles in order to get something like this? Sorry? Complete the square. So, how do I complete the square on this one? What do I add, Zach? 1. Okay, is everybody with Zach on that? You take half of this and you square it and you add to both sides, okay? Remember to add it to both sides there. Is everybody with me on this? Okay, so then this becomes 4y minus 4 equals x minus 1 quantity squared, which makes it and since I'm so anal, I'm going to put it in this form here. Okay? So then this compares to what we had for the standard form. Okay? So someone tell me h and k. Sorry, 1 comma 1. Someone tell me what p is. Sorry? I'm hearing a 0 and I'm hearing a 1. Do I hear a half somewhere? 1. Is everybody there? Laura? You see it's a 1? Okay, so p is equal to 1. Okay? So and then we need to sketch the parabola. Okay, so let's go sketch that here on my axis. So my vertex is at 1, 1. Is this going to open up or down? It's going to open up. Here's my axis of symmetry. Here's my focus. Can someone give me the coordinates of the focus, please? So the vertex is at 1, 1. The focus is going to be at 1, 2. Everybody there? Because the distance of the focus from the vertex is 1. Okay? Right, so then this distance here is 1. Right? What about the equation of the directrix? Someone give me the equation of the directrix. Sorry? Y equals 0. Is everybody with Ian on this? Because remember the directrix has got to be on the other side of the vertex, right? It's got to be somewhere out here. Somewhere out here. And its distance is going to be exactly the same distance as the focus is from the vertex. So it's going to be 1 unit from here, which means that it's going to be this line here. That's your directrix. And its equation is y equals 0. Is everybody okay? Laura, are you getting distracted today? What's weird? Because you don't have your glasses? You got your contacts on? Oh, okay. Yeah, and I'm sure you did. It's just so much stuff in there that it's kind of hard to really remember all that. Okay, is everybody all right on that? Is that the last thing? Henry? Whoa, right on, Henry.